So what is this game? It looks like a bunch of blocks. Well, it is, but it's so much more. This game is literally hundreds of games. You start with the free online video training course, where Dr. Hillier, the inventor, explains about the first 100 ways to use the game. With that free course, you'll have learned key brain and sensory processing principles. Most importantly, you'll learn to add brain loads. These allow you to modulate the game for different clients. Vision therapists, speech pathologists, brain injury specialists, and occupational therapists go on to invent yet more ways to use the game with their clients. If you're working to improve visual memory, spatial memory, attention, reading, eye movement control, autism, dyslexia, brain injury, and much more, these little blocks work. An expanded version of the training with Dr. Hillier, along with research and assignments, is an approved continuing education course for OTs, nurses, and speech pathologists who use this game in their professional practice. Now you can learn how to use this game. We promise you'll feel your brain.